This is a brand new 2013 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include 11 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, a turbocharger, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: memory setting for the driver's seat's position so you can recall your favorite position with the touch of one button, dual power seats, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, steering wheel mounted gear shift, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.